1. No matter how rocky the tide may get, the river never reverses its motion. Wake up. Rule number 2. Until the skull of a woman decays, her heart still beats. So let the booming and banging of thunder fill the air, and let men ready their machetes with no despair. For tonight, we wrestle not against flesh or blood, nor against brothers over inheritance, for where the vultures gather, there the carcasses, and that is in our differences. Tonight, we gather here to hear what the gods have to say. For many years ago, in a great land amidst beasts, Life's camera flashed and took pictures with our teeth gnashed. And then it posted with the hashtag, "This is trash." We scrolled imperfections, but there was none to mention, just life's dimension. Struggle became a question, with hardship no exception, and that became our new perception. Depression became the capital in the state of our minds. It completely distorted our minds, butchered our inclination, punctured our perception, and ruptured our intentions. These qualities became the misfortunes of our slavery. But one day, we cried tears upon tears, and God answered and sent a man. And today you'd hear how the gongs sound to tell the story of this man. A legendary story of Charley Boy, the greatest of all time, a victorious man whose existence was as though a demigod. Now, tell mothers to leave the kitchen and bring with them their children. Tell fathers the doors are open to receive any whose curiosity is oddly above his anxiety. Tell them the king sits and waits in his chambers. Tell them he waits for the songs of his praise from those who await his dominance of his righteousness. Is there any whose eyes have seen, whose ears have heard, whose comprehension have understood? Is there any whose intellect has nurtured such magnificent creativity of a God in man? If there is none, then draw nigh and open your eyes to see. Because on this day, this very evening, the king shall emerge a bride, and all his daughters shall wear waist bead and drop patterns on their bodies. And they shall put on laughter as a makeup. On this day, this very evening, we shall gather in oneness at the table of Charley Boy, and we shall eat with the same spoon of possibility and drink from the cup of positivity to celebrate a man in whom we are well pleased. Happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Please, make una clap for this, my sister. It's too noble.
May you live longer than your granddaughter of Ndakubo Okuta.
Oh, bagaragara.
I think made in Africa.
That was fantastic.
When did they go school?
Yeah, but
Did they go field?
it's fantabulous. God bless you, Dickie, my sister. Thank you so much. Njenje TV, I hope you captured this. This one must go internet too.